Hello laser friends, I got a monster laser for you. This is a big one. Inside is a case and a compact laser, full color from the company LASERVIVA. And LASERVIVA is building very high quality systems. This one is 25 watt with an FB4 inside, and actually the laser power is higher. I want to open it up and show you how good it is. And it costs below 3,000 US dollar. With an FB4 it's like wow, and good quality. Let's go.
The sun goes down, the stars are blue. The mountain's heart is calling you. The
So let's have a
engine
look
stops,
inside
the
the
metal
case.
cools. Still the king
brand
of the
new
winter
LASERVIVA.
rolls. Was Jack.
25 watt.
The ice goes from the high altitude to the coast. The journey is over, the spirit is free.
Okay,
Finally becoming who I'm meant to be.
It has a LV30 scanner, so they are 30K. That's very fast for high power lasers. And you can mask it from the side, like if you're mounting it strange or there is a DJ or people or cameras inside, you can mask it all the ways for safety. This is very cool that the sliders are in the housing. But one of the most things I like is this. This is for adjusting the colors. And you not have to open up the complete housing, you just can turn it by hand. I will show you how easy it is. I will show you the power, the beam, how easy you can adjust the colors. And in next videos I will make some beam shows, outdoor shows, graphic shows. It's a really nice compact system with a good beam, high quality housing, and with FB4. Here is the Pangolin FB4 card. Also IP65, it's waterproof. You have to screw it open like this. And then you can touch the button for the settings. But if everything's okay, you don't have to open it, you can keep it closed like this. And then you just go to the network, this one. And then put in your network cable and then it's showtime, so easy. So I want to show it to you, here we go. LASERVIVA. So let's connect it. I want to show you how easy it is to align it, and that's a very important thing. Plug in the power com. This is the new type power com through one click. Then plug in my network cable. Interlock, and let's have a look. A network. So this is for the network cable. So you don't have to open the Pangolin FB4 because this is all waterproof. The dongle for the e-stop. Normally you put wires on this for the e-stop. Remote e-stop for the safety, especially when you're using high power. Behind of this is the key switch. Is also for high power lasers. Off, on. I turn it on, close it up. Okay. Hilda. I think that's it. Safety, network, power. Let's turn it on. If this one is stop blinking, then it's ready to go. I see the FB4 got power, so the laser has power. Here's a light on and a switch. So I'm going to make one single beam and then show you how easy it is to align it. So this is cool, straight out of the box. It's perfect white, I don't need to align it. but I'm going to show you how easy it is. I make one single beam to a mirror 50 meters away, come back to the wall. It's a 10% with a single beam spot, so it's 10% of 25 watt, maybe 2-3 watt. Oh no, big problem, my white laser is gone, it's got different colors. No stress. This is a LASERVIVA and it's so easy. Look, open it up on the side. Here you can adjust it by hand. Have a look. And perfect white again. Whoa, what a power! Here we go, 7.5 watt red, 8 watt green and 12 watt blue. Total white power 25 watt plus. It's big powerful, all the lights are on here. It's extremely bright. And I want to show you more videos.
The engine stops, the metal cools, still the king of the winter rolls was jacked. The ice goes from the high altitude to the coast. The journey is over, the spirit is free, finally becoming who I'm meant to be.